Hey, how's it going? So, 2 weeks ago, TMS Productions announced an editing contest for the Jaguar commercial. So, this was my edit for the contest, and I hope you really liked it. So, I decided to show you the entire process, how I approached the edit, and how was my editing workflow, how I got the music, and everything related to this. So let's jump into the topic without further delay. So the first thing that I did is I went through all the footages provided by TMS Productions. The footages were really good, and this good footages helped me to build up a story in my mind. And then I just went to Epidemic Sound. After I have planned everything with the story, I went to Epidemic Sound, found the right kind of music, and Epidemic Sound is a very good platform to find very good quality music. So it made really easy, because as you know, the right kind of track is as important as the visuals. If you don't have the right music for your edit, then your edit will just fall apart. So I found a very good music, the taste I wanted to go for. So I just downloaded the music and just dragged it to Premiere Pro. So after I dragged the music into the Premiere Pro, I just made proxies of all the footages that I had. Now my PC is somewhat on the lower side, and it was too much tough for me to edit if I haven't made the proxies. So I finally decided to make proxies of every footage, and it took almost 4 to 5 hours to get all the proxies done, but it really made my life very easy after I made the proxies, because it was just totally impossible without the proxies to edit anything. So I made all the proxies, and then I just heard the music and went through with the edit. Just with the beat of the music, I cut the scenes, and there were not much transitions and all, because I just wanted to go with the right beat of the music. I didn't go for like such crazy transitions and all. And then I did the sound design. So now I will show you the entire sound design without any music, so you will get it how actually the sound design sounds like. Is it powerful? So let's play the sound design part. So basically this was the sound design for the video, and you already heard how it sounded like without the music. And with the music, it sounds better because I edited every scene with the right beat of the music. So it just makes it even, more interesting. After that, I just color graded every footage, because you need to do some color grading, especially the night footages. They don't look such level of good because of the so much tungsten color and all. So I made it a little bit bluish, the shadows especially. So let me show you the before and after of the color grading. So this was the before, and this is the after. So you can see a little bit yellowish if it's without the color grading, and a little bit blue tint, blue especially part in the shadows, to give that cool look at night. So same here as well. Just let me show you. So just a little bit of cool tint to the color grading, and this is how I edited the night footages. And Now these are all the day footages, so I just color graded accordingly. There is not much harsh color grading because I've seen many people doing such harsh and very contrasty color grading. I am not very fond of that color grading. Like, it looks good in some videos but not in every scene and every situation. So let me just show you. So this is the footage without any color grading, and this is after color grading. So it's not that much contrasty, it's just a little bit of contrast and saturation and little bit of color tweaks here and there. Alright, so I hope you really liked the edit, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you already know what to do. So that's it for today's video. See ya.